Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Yedida Putri Anugrah, student number A15-2020-01897, class 9209. So here in this video, I'm going to present the result from my observation about the Mother Nature and telling you the interpretation of my opinion from the pictures given. So first of all, Mother Nature is a way of personifying nature and referring to nature as a mother because nature is life-giving like a mother. Describing about the pictures given, the nature which was drawn as a woman cried due to the gun which was defined as the world civilization that going to shoot her. In my opinion, it has the meaning of the world that was created beautifully with those nature were ruined by the ego of the human to satisfy their needs. What makes the Mother Nature cry was because of human activity that caused environmental degradation, which is the deterioration of the environment through depletion of resources such as air, water, and soil, the destruction of ecosystems, habitat destruction, the extinction of wildlife, and pollution. Who are the one who caused that? Yep, that's true. Problems were created by human itself. The earth is where the human lives. They are the one who should be taking care of the earth and the beauty of the nature. But due to the greediness of their own needs and ego, they cannot protect the earth and nature as it should have been. It happens every time they did or create things that might destroy the nature. Why it happens? Because humans prefer more to fulfill their desire to create their own world rather than taking care and maintaining the nature, which it also have been the source of their life. So the video that I'm going to show you next will tell you how human activities destroy the nature. So in conclusion, the earth is where the human lives, and humans were the one who destroyed their own place to live due to their desire to create their own world, and the Mother Nature became the victim of their action. So that was all my presentation, and thank you for watching. See you all, guys.